Tonight, we have team coverage of the virus outbreak and its mounting effects on our area. We have reporters all across Mobile County investigating how this pandemic is impacting us. James Gordon is in Dauphin Island, where local folks and visitors are staying off the beaches there. Kelly Foster will join us in just a bit with how to keep mentally healthy during this pandemic. We begin our team coverage, though, with news of an employee with USA Health. NBC 15's Rachel Wilkerson found out the news of that employee testing positive has made plenty of patients uneasy. Rachel?
That's right, Greg. A parent whose child is in the maternity ward at USA Women and Children's Hospital told me he was informed last night that a nurse who's taking care of his baby girl tested positive for the coronavirus.
The NICU nurse manager told me that they had just been given information that a nurse that had taken care of my daughter within the past 2 weeks had just tested positive for the coronavirus, and as a precaution they were going to isolate every baby that she had come in contact with during that period.
Brandon Waltman is concerned about his 1-month-old daughter, Emery, who's been in the neonatal intensive care unit for nearly a month. Now she's in isolation. Waltman says due to possible exposure of COVID-19 from an employee, Emery was tested today and is waiting for the results.
Right now she is asymptomatic. She's not coughing, she's not sneezing, she's okay. I honestly don't expect a positive test to come of her test this morning, but that doesn't mean tomorrow she's not.
USA Health has not confirmed which department the employee worked in. It issued this statement only confirming an employee tested positive for COVID-19. It says in part, USA Health continues to implement all state and national guidelines to ensure we protect our patients, providers, and staff.
When we go in, all they're doing is comparing our little bracelet that has our name on it written by hand, comparing that to my driver's license, and that's their screening process. They're not temperature checking like they are at other hospitals. They're not screening like they are at other hospitals. And that's my main concern.
There are signs posted saying only one visitor is allowed per patient, but Waltman says he doesn't think the hospital has taken strong enough precautions and wants stricter policies.
It's just concerning, especially when you're talking about a population of people who are, NICU babies and other children that are here for serious health concerns. The last thing that they need is this.
The Waltman family is from Mississippi. He says he's hopeful he will take Emery home by this weekend and they will self-quarantine. Kim?